Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Each part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. The different parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In this video, we will learn about adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a sentence. So basically, an adverb describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a whole sentence. We can recognize adverbs because they often end in the letters ly. For example, quickly, early, badly, really, kindly, gently. However, not all adverbs end in the letters ly. Some take the same forms as the adjectives. For example, fast, late, best, hard, well, right. She laughs loudly. The adverb in this sentence is loudly because it's describing the verb laughs. Remember, a verb is a word that is used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. The adverb in this sentence is describing how the girl laughs. So she laughs loudly. The ant is really small. The adverb in this sentence is really because it's describing the adjective small. Remember, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. The adverb in this sentence is describing how small the ant is. It's really small. Jack runs very fast. The adverb in this sentence is very, and it's describing the other adverb, which is fast. So both very and fast are adverbs. However, the adverb very is describing how fast Jack runs. Surprisingly, she was good at singing. The adverb in this sentence is surprisingly because it's describing the sentence. Now let's look at adverbs in sentences. The dog usually runs in the park. The adverb in this sentence is usually because it describes the verb runs. I arrived late to work. The adverb in this sentence is late because it describes the verb arrived. The sunset is quite beautiful. The adverb in this sentence is quite because it describes the adjective beautiful. Fortunately, they survived the crash. The adverb in this sentence is fortunately because it describes the sentence. They danced happily at the party. The adverb in this sentence is happily because it describes the verb danced. Now you try. Read the sentence and identify the adverb. I normally walk to school. The adverb in this sentence is normally. Tom ate the pizza greedily. The adverb in this sentence is greedily. The tortoise crawls slowly. The adverb in this sentence is slowly. She rarely waters the flowers. The adverb in this sentence is rarely. Suddenly, the cars crashed. The adverb in this sentence is suddenly. The rain fell hard in the storm. The adverb in this sentence is hard. The students listen attentively. The adverb in this sentence is attentively. My dog impatiently waits for food. The adverb in this sentence is impatiently.